everybody? Brad of Performance Unlimited, your dyno tuner on the dyno today. We have a 347 cubic inch stroker motor here. This has a CVF kit on here. It's going into a 68 Mustang. It's going to look good in that Mustang. It's going to sound good in that Mustang. We got a Sniper II on here with a Hyperspark distributor. If you want something that looks good and sounds good and runs good, don't hesitate to give Performance Unlimited a call. We'll be happy to put something together for you, your ride or your boat. And happy motoring, everybody. Stay safe out there. 1-800-267-3940.